Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to configure OBS Studio for YouTube live streaming. OBS Studio is a powerful tool for live streaming and recording content. Let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you have OBS Studio installed on your computer. You can download it for free from the OBS project website. Once installed, open OBS Studio and click on Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Settings window, navigate to the Stream tab. Here, select YouTube Gaming from the Service drop-down menu. Then, go to your YouTube Live dashboard and copy the stream key. Paste the stream key into the designated field in OBS Studio. Next, head over to the Output tab in the Settings window. Choose Simple Output Mode and select Streaming as the output mode. In the Video Bitrate section, enter the recommended bitrate for your stream. You can find this information on the YouTube Live dashboard under Stream Settings. Now, go to the Video tab in the Settings window. Set the base and output resolution to match your desired stream resolution. It's recommended to use a resolution of 1920 by 1080 for HD streams. Adjust the FPS value to match your stream settings as well. Once you've configured the video settings, go to the Audio tab. Make sure your desired audio devices are selected for your stream. You can also adjust the audio bitrate and codec settings to optimize your audio quality for streaming. After configuring all the settings, click OK to save your changes. You're now ready to start your YouTube live stream with OBS Studio. Click on Start Streaming in the main OBS Studio window to go live. That's it. You've successfully configured OBS Studio for YouTube live streaming. Experiment with different settings to find the best setup for your streams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.